So welcome back guys. In our previous video we saw that how to create your website into an app by Android Studio. So we created an APK, like we named it as Diptam, and let's launch that app and see how is it looking. So you can see this is the app. There is no action bar, the color is matching also, the splash screen is loaded like a full screen, and this is the website. And in the website everything is also kind of working fine. For t-shirt, the net is actually slow, that's why it is loading slow. It's totally depends upon your net speed, and this app will not ask you for any kind of permission. It has only one permission, that is the internet permission. And one more thing guys, here we have to remove the label file, okay, because we don't want to keep this thing, so just remove that thing. Okay, now you have to create a signed APK, because only signed APK will be allowed to publish in Google Play Store. So to build a signed APK you have to create on this build option, and after that go below and you will find this kind of option like generate signed bundle or APK. Click on it and it will open this kind of things. Here it is saying Android app bundle, generate a signed app bundle for upload to App Store for the following benefits like smaller download size, on demand app features, and asset only modules. So click on it, create, and in the next option give a path, like where the this key will be stored. So like create new, in create new choose a path. Over here for me it's D, and in Android Studio, in Android Studio projects, in the budget, and yeah, in the budget I want to like name it as a signed APK, signed APK, and then create OK. Okay, now it's created the path. So now we have to create a password for our APK, like for our signed APK, so that no one can access our coding section. Like those person who have this kind of password, they can only modify this app, otherwise they can't modify this app. So for that we'll keep a password over here. Now confirm the password again, confirming the password. The alias, this is the key name we want as this key's name, key 0, when the password, and confirming the password again. Now your first name, last name. First name is Diptam and last name is Paul. Orientation unit, we don't have that. Organization, Refiner. City or locality, it is Kolkata. State, West Bengal, that is in India. Country code IN. Okay, now click on this OK option. It will create a new key for your app. It is loading that password over here, it automatically. Click on this option, remember password, if you want to. I want that thing, that's why I am remember this password. And encrypted key export path, keep it as a default, and click on this next option. Now click on this release option, then click on this finish. Now it will take some time, literally it will take some time, more than 30 seconds, till 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, etc., depends on your app size. So it started the building process. Now let's wait some time to build it successfully. So now you can see it built it successfully within 35 seconds. This is really fast. So now click on this locate option so that you can find that location of that app. So now you can see the timing like 2348, like 1148. So it is 1150. That means this app folder is created successfully. Now we have to make an app, like a signed APK, to upload in the Play Store. For that, click on this APK option, like click on next and click on next again. Now click on this release option and tick mark these two symbols. and then click on finish. It will again take some time to build that APK file. Let's wait some seconds. So you can see this app is generated successfully. Now click on this locate again. It will locate that file, and that is in the release folder. Click on it and you can see there is an .apk file that is around 3.69 MB in size. So this is our app, like 2351 1151. See, it is 1152 over here. That means this app is created successfully. The app size is around 3.69 MB. So we successfully created a generated signed APK. In my next video, I will show you how to create an account in Google Play Console to launch your first app. And after that video, I will create another video to how to create, how to launch your first app in Google Play Store. There are some procedures in Google Play Console you have to follow to do, to publish your first app. And after doing those steps, it will take 24 to 48 hours to publicly available your app in the Google Play Store. So till then, subscribe this channel for more latest updates.